Hey there, Aquarius. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. Hope you are doing good. This is your July last week reading, and it will be a January reading. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. And if you think my readings resonates you, please share them on your social media accounts. It will be support from you toward me. Let's see what message is coming up for you, Aquarius. What is the main theme for Aquarius? Knight of Cups. Let's see what other messages are saying to you. Four of Cups, Knight of Cups, Four of Cups. Nine of Wands and Knight of Wands. And in the deck you are having Eight of Cups. So let's start your reading, Aquarius. Underneath the deck you are having Eight of Cups, Ace of Cups. So there is a new love around you, but you are not taking this cup. If you take this cup for yourself, this will become your wish fulfillment, but you are not paying attention toward this new love who is coming towards you, and you are just emotionally detached from this person. If it's a totally new person, or if it is a existing person and this person is offering and showing their emotions to you, they are offering their love to you, there is a new beginning between you and this person. Emotionally new phases going to start in between you people, but you are not paying attention in this new beginning, or you are just walking away from the relationship and don't want to start anything new within this relationship. So someone is offering you their cup of love. It can be new person or it can be existing person, and the past person can be the main thing is that love is coming towards you. New emotional beginning and new love is coming towards you. This is the main thing for you, Aquarius. So but you are not interested, you are not taking this cup, and you are not just you are just want to keep yourself away from the emotional and this emotional dramas and love things. You are just want to keep yourself away from the emotional love situation. So someone want a second chance from you, or if you are offering your cup towards to someone, but this person is not interested and you want second chance, and this person is playing from your with your emotions and your uh, true feelings. They're just player. They just come towards you and make fun of you because you're very much serious, but they are not interested in your serious love. They just want flirt and non-serious kind of relationship. If it's a new person, um, if it's a new person is coming towards you, if energy can be vice versa because it's a general reading. Please take this reading as how these energies resonates to you. So it can be your energy, it can be your partner's energy. So if your person, someone new is coming towards you and they are trying very much hard to get your attention, so you are not giving them attention because you know this person is a player, they are not serious. Or if your existing person, your past person is coming towards you with apology, and you are not interested in this person because you know this person is not serious, their apology is not serious, they are not giving you serious commitment in this relationship. They just want, they just want to have your time, have you they just want to play with your feeling. They are not giving you serious kind of commitment. So that's why you are walking away from this. You are not paying attention to the whatever love is coming towards you, and how much they are looking good, and just you are not paying attention. So let's see what is the romance angel oracle message for you, Aquarius. Honeymoon. Enjoy the bliss of holiday and together. If you are in a serious commitment and you walked away from this person, but this person is coming back to you again and they want second chance, um, and if you get this chance, um, it can be honeymoon for some of you. If you are in a serious connection, you think that your connection is very much good, serious, and you are in a married commitment, so at the end of the week you can have the good moment, like honeymoon with your person. If it's not a serious person, you think this person is not serious, they are playing with your feelings, so this person just want to have a honeymoon period for with you. They don't want to give you the serious commitment, so you have to be careful from this person. So Aquarius, that was your reading for the last week of July. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.